In this video, I'll show you how to find your transaction history on the Binance app using the latest layout. First, open the Binance app and log in. At the bottom of the screen, tap Wallets so you can see your balances. On the top area, choose the section you want to check, like Overview, Spot, or Funding, depending on where you usually keep your crypto. Now look in the top right corner for the History/clock icon or a small button labeled History. Tap it. Here you'll see your transaction history for that wallet, deposits, withdrawals, transfers, and sometimes conversions. At the top, you can switch between different tabs like Deposit, Withdraw, Transfer, or Buy Crypto, depending on your version of the app. Use the filters or date range options if you want to narrow it down by coin, type, or time period. When you tap on any single entry, you'll see full details such as amount, network, fees, status, and transaction ID. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.